Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 28th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed, and the stock market was a roller coaster today. It was pretty wild. We came in with only two positions, and right from the beginning, the Dow just took off like a rocket. And I think it was up 125 points or so, like within the first 30 minutes of the day. And then it loses steam and it goes all the way from 125 positive down to, I think, about negative 50. And this was scary to me because this is the pattern that's killed us, in recently. Go way up at the beginning of the day and then sell off after we've bought into a bunch of things. Well, today the pattern didn't turn out that way. Buying comes in on that weakness, and that's new, and took the market all the way up, and the Dow actually ended up 87 points for the day. So I in spite of the fact the pattern was roller coaster, it's a new pattern, it's a good pattern. The shorts didn't make any money today, and that makes me happy. We had an okay day. In fact, we actually closed out just a few pennies shy of $9,000 in closed out trades. So that was real good. The positions we had from Friday held up fine. They were not affected by this roller coaster movement in the Dow. We did get into a couple negative trades, and so we are carrying negative $2,500 into tomorrow, but I'm not too worried about it. I think that's going to work out okay. And hey, we make $9,000 and closed out, we carry negative $2,500. We can live with that. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and this is wild. We had this sell-off on Friday that took us down below the red line, and I really was kind of wondering what was going to happen there. Honestly, I was expecting it was going to go lower, but no, right from the open, this thing takes off, and up here we're up about 125 points, then down it comes again, really very convincingly through that red line, and even takes out the lows from Friday. So that's looking pretty bad, but hey, what I like to see, buyers come in here. They say, okay, this is going higher, prices are at a bargain here, and they bid it up here, and it didn't quite get up to the highs earlier in the day, but it got pretty darn close to it. So this is definitely a bull market, albeit a little indecisive sometimes, but we're solidly above the red line again, and it would surprise me if this market does not go up tomorrow. I'll show you just a couple of the trades that we had we only had a couple things coming in, but this first one is in Cirrus Logic, and CRUS. Thursday we had bought that right out of the gate, kept going, then we had the big gap up on Friday. It held all day, and today it held again. Our exit point wasn't absolutely the best, but we still made $6,000 in Cirrus Logic. Can't complain about that. Great trade. And lastly, I'll show you THC here that took us higher. Anyway, the THC, we bought this on Friday. We actually got a little pullback there to get into it. Very nice. Took off, closed beautifully, opened lower this morning, but then came back and bumped up here. So we're getting out of this almost on the high, and that was good for $3,000. So had a couple great trades there in spite of the roller coaster day. Not a bad day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.